Our family's reaction was, "You're kidding." Big surprise and big delight. We sent them the link to the video and we said we won it. And they were like, "Oh my gosh, no, really?" And then it was just celebration and giggles and laughs and well done.
Wow.
I could just stand and look at the view out that window. What is there not to love? We have a niece who is a heart baby and had life-saving surgery when she was first born, and she's doing really, really well. This home is just amazing.
Love it.
Fabulous.
Absolutely love
It was
it.
very us, actually. The first impression I got walking in was, it actually felt like home, it felt like ours. So the reality came in and just how tasteful, and it felt right, it felt good. The tickets are so cheap and it's just a little something you can do that goes towards important work, and hey, you might be blessed too. We never thought it would happen to us.
Extremely proud of the fact that we're the first lottery to ever sell out, which speaks volumes for the town that we live in, but also for the house that we've been able to bring together for these fantastic people.